Cause-driven custom apparel is all about having a positive impact. Fashion brands are collaborating with custom printers and charitable organizations to raise awareness about social or environmental causes. I'm going to show you how you can get started in this market with just a heat press. Let's dive in. Cause-driven apparel often features large text and slogans. So we are going to be using direct-to-film for this, not only because we want to be able to achieve the texture and full color that we're able to in this design, but whenever you are doing a large space, this is a great economically priced product. We're at 6 cents a square inch, so large designs are going to be cost effective, and it's also going to feel nice and lightweight. Now, as you can see, this design is larger than my platen, so we are going to have to do this in 2 hits. The beauty of this product is it's extremely versatile, so we can hit it twice without damaging the product in any way. We're also applying at 290 degrees, so by doing this for 12 seconds each, we will not be damaging the fleece in any way. I'm just going to move this over to get the rest of the design on the platen, and we will repeat that same step. All right, and this product is a hot peel, so we can remove that carrier. And our oversized back design is complete. This is also a very trendy way to put slogans and messages out there on apparel by doing a very oversized back print. Now the back is taken care of, but there is a lot more real estate of the garment that we can take advantage of. Not just the front, but also the sleeves. And one other way people are creating more awareness and messaging in apparel is by dropping a hashtag or representing the cause that they are representing here right on the sleeve. So we are going to go ahead and take another direct-to-film transfer and place that right on the sleeve. Now, of course, we want to use a pillow for this so that we can avoid the seam. This leg and sleeve pillow is going to fit down into the sleeve. I'm going to insert it through the collar and just trail it down. And now my print location is nice and flat. We're getting a good pressure where we need it to, and the seam is dropping behind. Now what I want to pay close attention to here is where the pillow is lined within the garment. You can see the seam is dropping off to the left side here, but I want to print the top of the sleeve. So we're just going to rotate that a bit. To make sure that we are printing the right location. So we're going to go right here. Before I place that, I want to do a quick preheat, make sure that we are prepping the garment before we apply and testing pressure. Since we loaded a pillow, we're going to dial that back a little bit. Want to make sure we're still between a medium pressure. So we can go ahead and place that and repeat that same application. So again, direct to film, low temp, 290 degrees, and our dwell time is set to 12 seconds. Hot peel. Now our additional custom print has been added. Now let's take advantage of the front of the garment. All right, so a lot of popular finishes are unique textures and dimension. So we want to be able to add as much profit into this single piece as we can. So we are going to drop some branding here with our faux suede patch. We're going to print this with the 360 IQ, so let's head to the cat press to heat apply. I already have the faux suede patch staged and taped down to my garment. So whenever we go to the 360 IQ, that placement is ready to go and I don't have to try to eyeball that from such a small area. All right, so we are just going to place that right on there, add our foam pad, and heat apply for its recommended time and temperature. Once our heat press pops open, we're going to take it away from the cap press, get it nice and flat, and then remove the tape. And our faux suede application is complete. Overall, as a decorator for cause-driven apparel, you can be utilized as a powerful tool for raising awareness and advocating for change. For more information on the products you saw in this video, check out the links in the description.